Hey guys, good morning, amazing people. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for clicking on this vlog. Today is Monday and 27th of February. I just wanted to do a reset in this house. I think this vlog is going to be a reset vlog, and I also want to clean this house. I have not cleaned this house since we moved here, and that's because this place was already cleaned when we moved, and also we're still trying to settle in, know our way around, like know the closest supermarkets to us. Like where we stay, it's not, although it's quite close to the city center, it is closer to the city center compared to our Airbnb, but still it's a very quiet and I don't want to say lonely area. So there are not a lot of like supermarkets around. Like you have to even like enter a bus before you can get to a supermarket. So it's quite hard getting cleaning agents and all those things to clean. But I tried doing that the last time I went to Asda, but Asda did not have brooms. So I was all like, wait, even though they have broom, would I be entering bus and be carrying broom mop up and down? So I'm like, yo, try just order them on Amazon. And yeah, I did that I think last week, and it came last night, yesterday. And yo guys, when I say the package, these people like boxes here. They like boxes so much. Like, anyhow, I'm going to be doing the unboxing here of my cleaning materials, and we have to rush and start cleaning this house. I need to put this house back in order, honestly. I need to clean this house and put this house back in order. So yeah, let me just put my tripod down so I show you guys the huge box I got from Amazon, and just show you the things I ordered. And yeah, I'm coming, guys. Like, I actually like to keep boxes whenever I get boxes like this from Amazon, but where will I keep this? Like, look at how big this box is. So let me start with this one. The way these people use boxes over here. Oh yeah, guys, the first thing I have here, these are what I was talking about. But yo, I thought it was going to be longer than this. Really long spice jars. I want to keep things like other, maybe I'll keep like things that are not so much, like my peppers, my spices, my seasonings. Yeah, those ones are not so much, so I think I'll keep them in here. But I'm not sure I can keep rice and all those things here. And maybe I can order a bigger one, because I think I saw another bigger size, but I wasn't really sure about how long they were going to be. Yeah, so this is what they look like, guys. You can see you just keep like spices in here. It's actually okay. And they come with this. Oh, nice. What are these actually? Okay, I think these are like the cover seals. Maybe if you want it airtight or something, but you can maybe open the cover and just put this in to just seal whatever you have inside. And it also comes with this yeah, it also comes with this black stickers. Comes with these black stickers. And I think I saw something like a pen or something. I knew I saw like a pen. These containers, and it comes in 6 jars of this. I can't remember the price, but if I can get the links, I'll put the links in my description box if you want them. Yeah, so that's it about this. Let's just open the second package. I need to do this fast because I want to cook and clean and do so many other things. So my worry is, why didn't they just put this in like a paper bag or something? Oh, okay, I know why they can't put it in that, because this is plastic and you know it can break. So open this one. Oh my god, like when I went downstairs to go get it, when they said okay they've delivered the product, I was like, oh my god, did I order a television? Like, why do I have this big box? It's so big. But yeah, let me open the second one. Done. So yep, I just have so many random trash in there. What's going on? What's going on? Why do I have a box in a box? Like, why? Ah, God. See me complaining. I have a box in a box. It's stressful. I have the mop and the mop bucket here. Yup. This is good. And I think the mop is like the rods are like adjustable. You can make it longer and make it like, you know, small if you want. It also comes with this this squeezer or whatever it's called, and the mop head, yeah, and also the bucket. So that's good. Let me show you the brand name if you are curious. Yeah, so that's it about that. I'll also keep the description. I'll also keep the links in the description, because I was like, wait, how will I carry all this mop buckets and be jumping balls? Like, I would look so funny. So I'm glad my brain thought about it fast and I didn't allow myself to be, you know, I didn't go and disgrace myself in this UK. So, wait, I think the only thing left is broom. Don't tell me they kept ordinary broom in this big box. But let's see. Guys, what did I tell you? And guess what's inside? Just this. Why? I got this broom. It's like a very long broom, and it also comes with like a packer, and this packer too is also like quite long, so you don't have to be, you know, bending down. So it's a standing broom and standing packer. Something like that. So that's just the mini unboxing of the cleaning, you know, materials I got. And guys, let's start cleaning, okay?
pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, we'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens.
While using this broom, I was like, I thought they said this broom has an extender, like it's too short. I was just vexing, thinking of how I'll put a bad review on this. And guys, look at me stressing myself since. I just tried pulling it up, and guys, look, it's actually extendable. Now I'm happy with this. All right, now back to work.